How to create AI characters using Leonardo AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. The first step will be we will get help from ChatGPT. So simply go to ChatGPT in your mobile. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on ChatGPT. Now we will simply tell ChatGPT that we want to generate characters using Leonardo AI. So please write prompts for us. Also, you guys will tell your character, like how your character looks and other things. And once you give your character detail to ChatGPT and you tell that you want to generate that character using Leonardo AI, after that ChatGPT will give you prompt for that character. So simply copy that prompt, and once you copy that prompt, simply go to Leonardo AI app, and once you open that, here you guys will see home, generate, library, more. Simply click on generate. Here you guys will simply paste your that prompt, and once you paste that, you need to make sure that I selected nano banana. You need to make sure that you selected nano banana. After that, click on that icon, and once you do that, your character image will be start generating. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.